Hi, Darlene. I'm wondering if you can tell us a little bit about carrier concerns in terms of small cell deployments.
Yeah, what we're seeing right now in the marketplace is there's such a speed to scale issue from the perspective of demand is so great. The carriers have so much in order to completely define, deploy and manage these massive upgrades to the LTE networks that are going on right now, that it's about resources and the ability to quickly and effectively deploy what's really required to support their sort of upgrade requirements and offload issues that are particularly important with sort of spectrum challenges and things like that in certain geographic markets. So there's a tremendous demand and a lack of resources, quite honestly.
Can you talk to us a little bit about points of concern in terms of network management and integration when it comes to these heterogeneous networks?
Yeah, right now I think people are trying to figure out the most effective design in order to make sure that you have appropriate handoff. So if you go from one area to the next area, particularly if you have a small cell handing off to a DAS and so forth, how do you make sure that that's appropriately designed and deployed? And then the ongoing maintenance of these, as these systems become more and more critical to the carriers, right, for their macro offload requirements and to support some of their spectrum challenges, as well as an enterprise who is maybe using this infrastructure now to support multiple applications, the systems become really critical for a variety of reasons. And so in order to support that capability, people are trying to understand how do I effectively manage and maintain all of that. And again, it comes to how can you support that as an integrator, and how can you effectively help customers support those overall requirements. And that's something that we continuously try to evolve with the market to allow that capability within our organizational infrastructure.
Talk a little bit about trends that you see happening in the next, say, 2 to 4 years.
Yeah, this industry has evolved a lot over the past 18 months, and I think it will continue to. I think we'll continue to see the deployment of sort of small cell DAS networks with a variety of sort of RF sources. I think we'll continue to see enterprise wanting to own and maintain their own systems, and them contributing to carrier spend in order to supply a complete solution. I think you're going to find the requirement for carriers to offload more and more macro based on spectrum challenges, and so the importance of that network is critical to their overall macro, the well-being of their macro. So there's a variety of different things at play, and all of it really boils down to, do you have the appropriate resources? Do you have the appropriate support infrastructure? And how can you quickly and efficiently deploy these systems in the most economical fashion?
Great, Darlene. Thank you so much.
Thank you.